Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Redmi 13. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family, and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started, and then select Child or Teenager. Now click Next. And then click Add or Create Account for your child. And now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your child password. And click I agree. Now click on More and click Accept. Now you have to choose your account, and here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down, and you have to enter your child's password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again. And now you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually. And lastly, click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.